Continuation of the trilogy of quotes by Andy Warhol. Duplicate the last slide in the presentation, write part 3 in the text field and move it to the left. We duplicate the slide again, move the Warhol photo up, and insert images. Click on Remove Background via the Picture Format option. Be sure to follow me for more tricks like this. We'll put the pictures aside for now. We will write another quote in the text field. Beauty is a sign of intelligence. Duplicate the slide, insert modified images into it. In the text field we write Andy Warhol. The font is Gill Sans size 166. Recolor the font to white. The text outline is green, the width is 5 points. We duplicate the font, it will be without the text outline at the back, and we move it behind the images. From the copied text field, click on No Fill and place it on top of all objects. This is the result, and remember, beauty is a sign of intelligence. Thank you.